This video explains the signs that indicate the dog feels pain, the treatments to avoid it, 3 guidelines to avoid it, as well as a simple homemade questionnaire to know if the dog feels pain. 1. Pain in the dog, how do you express it? However, each living being has a threshold of pain and a way to express it, and there are even those who camouflage it, to avoid showing weakness in front of their predators. The main symptom that may reflect that the dog suffers pain is a change in their behavior. Therefore, it is key to observe the dog to know how to decipher the information it transmits to us with its body and its way of acting. 2. Pain in the dog, signs. Certain signs can alert the owner that his dog is in pain. All of them are significant, since they arise suddenly in the dog, and it is not their usual behavior. Alteration in the movements of the dog, such as resistance to movement, wobbling, stiffness or difficulty to support the legs, lameness or abnormal mobility, such as incoordination or clumsiness. Incessant barking, even when the dog is comforted and accompanied. Decrease or lack of appetite in the dog. 3. Pain in the dog, treatments. The treatments to alleviate pain in the dog should be specific to them. A can requires analgesics other than a cat, and self-medication in dogs is contraindicated with animals, especially if it is practiced with medicines of people. Self-medication in dogs is one of the main causes of poisoning in these animals. Analgesics for dogs are of 2 kinds, opioids, among which are morphine and methadone, and whose role is to treat acute pain, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, which serve to treat both pain and inflammation. In any case, the veterinarian is the one who must determine the most appropriate treatment to treat the dog's pain. 4. Pain in the dog, 4 usual causes. There are several pathologies of the dog and situations that cause pain in the dog, among which are joint diseases, such as arthritis, the postoperative processes, as in the case of surgeries performed due to bone fracture, tumor removal or sterilization. Dental conditions of the dog, such as phlegmon or oral tumors. Diseases such as cancer in dogs. 5. Avoid pain in dogs, guidelines. It is recommended that the owner knows how to detect behavioral changes in his animal, such that he goes from being a very active dog to apathetic. Consult the veterinarian when you suspect that the dog is in pain. To alleviate the pain of the dog affects an improvement of its quality of life and well-being, which translates into more years of life for the animal, since it reduces stress and suffering. The pain of the dog should be avoided. It is a mistake to think that the pain of the dog is a lesser evil, consequence of the illness and something transitory that the animal will overcome without help, since it does not complain. If the pain in the dog is not adequately treated, the problem may worsen over time. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below right now. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.